Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we see exercise 7.3, in which question number 1. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, in this first bit, 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. Let us label these points as first point as A, second one as B, third one as C. So let us write the formula of area of a triangle. Area of triangle ABC whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 is, the formula is half mod. I told you to remember this formula easily. Let us write here 1, 2, 3, right? This is x1 into y2 minus y3. So let us write x1 into, this is y2 minus y3. So y2 minus y3 plus, let us send this one this side behind 3. So it will be 2, 3, 1. It indicates x2 into y3 minus y1. So x2 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1 plus, now let us send this 2 behind this 1. So it will be 3, 1, then 2. So here it is x3 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. So in this way you can remember this formula easily. Now let us substitute these values. Half modulus x1 is 2 into, let us fill it after some time, plus x2. Already here x2 has minus. So let us write this plus into minus becomes minus times 1 into, let us write as something, 2 into something minus 1 into something plus x3. x3 is 2 into something. Now let us fill these blanks with first one with y2 minus y3. See here y2 is 0 minus y3 itself has already minus. So this minus into this minus becomes a plus. So let us write y2 first 0. Now this minus into this minus becomes a plus. y3 is here 4, right? Now here y3 is minus 4 minus y1 is 3, right? Same way here y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. Clear? See, observe here. First I substituted the values of x1, x2, then x3. Then I maintained the blanks for these y2 minus y3 I have written. Same y3 minus y1 and y1 minus y2. Clear? Now let us simplify this. This is 1 by 2 into modulus 2 into 0 plus 4 is 4 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3. Both have the same symbol, so we should add them. 4 plus 3 is 7. Bigger number symbol is minus, so it is minus 7 plus 2 into 3 minus 0 is 3, right? Now here let us write 1 by 2 as it is. 2 4s are 8, minus into minus plus 1 7s are 7 plus 2 3s are 6. So here it is 1 by 2 modulus 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Clear? Here mod positive 21 is 21. If it is negative 21, then also it will become plus 21 only. So here let us write this as 21 and this by 2. 21 by 2 can be simplified as 10.5. 10.5. So here let us conclude this problem. Area of triangle ABC, whose vertices are the given points, is 10.5. 10.5. Since it is area, we need to write square units. So finally, this is the final answer for the first bit. Now let us see second bit. First problem, second bit. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, here the given vertices, -5, -1, 3, -5 and 5, 2. So let us label it as first one as A, second one as B and third one as C. Now we are going to find area of the triangle which is formed by these points A, B and C. So let us write area of triangle ABC whose vertices are x1, y1, B, x2, y2 and C, x3, y3. The formula is half mod. Let us write here 1, 2, 3. So it is x1 into y2 minus y3, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus this is 2, 3, this 1 will go this side, that is 2, 3, 1 means x2 into y3 minus y1, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus, let us send this 2 behind this 1, it will be 3, 1, 2. That indicates x3 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. So based on this formula we are going to find the area of the triangle. Let us substitute these values. 1 by 2 into x1 means -5, -5. Let us maintain bit gap because it will be easy for us to fill these gaps at a time. Plus x2 into means +3 into, let us maintain this gap. So let us write as something. So -5 into something, +3 into something, plus x3. Here x3 is 5, plus x3 means +5 into again something. Now let us fill these blanks with y1, y2 and y3. So here you see y2 minus y3. In this y2 is -5. So we write -5 as it is, minus y3. y3 is 2. Right? Now here y3 is 2 minus y1. y1 itself has minus. This minus into this minus becomes plus. This 1 comes as it is. Clear? So it is 2 plus 1. Now here y1 is -1 minus y2. y2 itself has minus. In this formula minus into this minus becomes plus. This 5 will come as it is. Now let us simplify this. 1 by 2 into modulus. Let us write -5 as it is into -5 minus 2. Both have the same symbol, so we have to add them up. That is 5 plus 2 is 7. After that, in these two, bigger number is 5. Its symbol is minus, so it is -7 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 5 into -1 plus 5. can also be read as 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Right? So here let us simplify further. 1 by 2, write as it is. Minus into minus is plus. 5 7 are 35. It is plus 35. As it is the starting term, plus is need not to be maintained. So let us write 5 7 are 35 as it is. Plus 3 3s are 9. Plus 5 4s are 20. Now 1 by 2 into, here every term has plus, so we can add them up directly. 35 plus 9 is 44. 44 plus 20 is 64. So this is 1 by 2 into 64. Let us cancel 64 with this 2. It is 32 times. So it is 32 is the answer. So let us conclude this problem. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is 32. We need to write the units. Since it is area, units is square units. So area of the triangle whose vertices are these are the given vertices. Its area is 32 square units is the final answer for this second bit. Now let us see next one, that is first problem, third bit. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, in this third bit given as 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 2. Let us label it as O, because here if any other value is there, then we could have taken A. 0, 0 indicates the origin, so here I am taking it as O, this point as A and this one as B. Right? Now let us write the formula. Area of triangle OAB whose vertices are, let us take this value as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, third one as x3, y3. Right? Already we know the formula, half modulus. First here x1 comes, x1 into plus x2 into plus x3 into. Now here you see, when you write x1, then you do not write y1, you go to y2 and y3. Right? So you write here x1 into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3. See here the order 1, 2, 3. Next this 1 will go that side, means behind the 3. It will become 2, 3, 1. Already 2 is there. Now 3 and 1, it is required 3 and 1. 3 means y3. Let us move this 2 behind this one. It is 3, 1, 2. Already 3 is there. Here it is 1 and 2. This is one of the ways of remembering this formula. Okay, to keeping the formula in our mind. Other than this, when you take x1, then you do not take y1. You take y2 and y3, their difference. When you take x2, you don't take y2. You take difference of y1 and y3. Right? When you take x3, you don't take y3. You take difference of y1 and y2. Here again one more doubt will come. Difference of y3 and y1 means we need to take y3 minus y1 or y1 minus y3. For that, you remember like this. Here you see this ending value is y3. It will be coming back here. Here the ending value is y1. It will be coming back here. Right? So this is very easy to remember this formula. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into this y3 is there, with that we need to start y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. See here ending y2, this y2 will be coincided. Right? Now let us substitute these values. 1 by 2 into x1 0 into, let us write this value little later. So x1 written plus x2 means 3 into something plus x3 is 0 into something. Let us fill these gaps now with the values of y1, y2 and y3. y2 minus y3, y2 is 0 minus y3 is 2. Next y3 minus y1, y3 is 2 minus y1, y1 is 0. Right, it is 0. Next y1 minus y2, y1 is 0 minus y2 is also 0. Let us simplify this. This is 1 by 2 into 0 into 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Of course it is 0 into minus 2, 0 we can write directly, no problem. Plus here 3 into 2 minus 3, 2 minus 0 is 2 plus 0 into 0 minus 0 is 0. So 1 by 2 into 0 into anything is 0 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 0 into anything, of course 0 into 0 is 0. So finally it is 1 by 2 into 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6. When you cancel it, it is 2 3s are 6. So answer is 3. Therefore area of triangle OAB is 3. We need to write the units. Since it is area, it is 3 square units. Other than this, this problem can be solved in other way also. Let us see how it is. See here 0 comma 0. When you take coordinate axis, 0 comma 0 comes here, it is O 0 comma 0. A 3 comma 0. See here, A has x coordinate but there is no y coordinate. So here it lies on x axis 1, 2, 3. So this is the position of A 3 comma 0. Right. B 0 comma 2. B has y value means y coordinate but there is no x coordinate. So this point lies on y axis. So this is 1, this is 2. So this point indicates B 0 comma 2. Now the triangle formed by these 3 points is, this is the triangle. Triangle OAB. Since it is 90 degrees, it is a right angle triangle. So here we can apply half into base into height. Area of a triangle formula. Area of triangle OAB can be found by using half into base into height. So here half into. Here if you take OA as base, that is 3 units. So half into 3 into, if you take this as height, if OA is base, then OB will be height. If OB is base, OA will be the height. So here I am taking base as OA, that is 3. Then height is OB, that is 2 units. See here from O to B, that is the distance is 2 units. So here let us cancel 2 and 2. So it is 3. Since it is area, we can write it as 3 square units. Let us understand here that in the first method we got area of triangle OAB is 3 square units. In second method also we got area of triangle OAB is 3 square units. So finally the area of the triangle whose vertices are the given points is 3 square units is the final answer.